Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Irama Moses. Just want to take this opportunity to say a big thank you to my return subscribers and viewers. You guys are so amazing and I love you so much. In this new video we are going to make pineapple, apple, beetroot and ginger juice. I call it super healthier blood tonic juice. Guys, for this Christmas, try not to buy a lot of drinks, but make sure you prepare your own juice at home. That's why I said let me share this my healthy blood tonic juice with you guys. It tastes really delicious, and if you add this to your Christmas table, guys, oh my god, if you have visitors later, you will drop your comment on my comment section that whatever that your visitors told you, they will also prepare it and they will ask you, where did you find this recipe? Don't lie to them, tell them the truth that you find this recipe at Irama Moses YouTube channel. Guys, try to share this particular video for me to go viral so that it will benefit others as well.
Irama's channel. Subscribe, let's go. Hey.
Guys, for your juice to taste nice, we are going to add a small portion of mint. Look at that, for the taste, just for taste, guys.
Good food.
And I will add little water.
Lifestyle. Workout. Irama Garden. Irama's channel. Subscribe, let's go.
Guys, our juice is ready now, so I'm going to strain it, then I will serve it. Look at that. You can drink this one as smoothie as well. Look.
Lifestyle. Workout. Irama's channel.
Oh my god, this drink tastes yummy. So refreshing, guys. Look at that.
Yummy.
So guys, I'm going to repeat the same process until I'm done straining my juice. Look at that.
Subscribe and click on the notification bell. Let's go. Jack Unlocks music. Let's go.
Guys, look at that. Our drink is ready. But if you are having a house party or you are doing a general party, any gathering, you can serve it like this with ice cubes. Then you put your serving glass there. When people come, they will serve themselves. But this one, because of presentation sake, I have to transfer it into another thing for my presentation. So I will show you that one as well. Guys, let's have a taste of our juice. Look at that. And also, if you want it more lighter, you can add more water. But this is the consistency that I am looking for. Oh my God. It's so refreshing. You can add this to your Christmas drink. This Christmas, try to drink healthy. As I always preach to you guys that eat healthy, drink healthy, good food, good health. So imagine preparing this and adding it to your Christmas drinks. Guys, don't buy any fizzy drink. Do your natural juice at home and it will benefit your health. That's why I always try to share this amazing juice and recipes with you guys. I love you guys and Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. If today is the first time you are coming across my channel, I will ask you to share my video, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime that I will upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Guys, and to my old viewers and subscribers, I say God bless you guys for always being there for me. Guys, I don't know what to say to you guys. You guys are so amazing and I love you. I love you. I love you for the love that you are showing to me. I love you so much. And anybody that is helping my channel to grow, I say God bless you as well. I love you guys. I can't mention names here. Guys, God bless you. God bless you. This is what I can say. So you can try this recipe, this yummy juice. Guys, we use apple, pineapple, beetroot, and ginger. And we add a little twist to it, to add some mint to it for just a taste or for a flavor. Guys, try it and you will love it. So now that when you are doing a party, you can serve it this way. But if we are not doing a party, I'm going to transfer this into my bottle and I'll be putting this in my fridge to drink it bit by bit. Guys, try to do your own juice yourself and it's more healthier than buying all those stuff from the shop. Guys, I'm not condemning the shop's drink or anything like that, but when you prepare it at home, trust me, it's more healthier than the ones that we normally buy. Thank you and God bless you. Subscribe.